ко мне лезть. Не надо. Ах ты.
Bully. You can't even. What are you hitting him with? You have no other arm.
What did you just say?
This cat is not being harmed in any way and truly enjoys doing this trick.
It's a little flip.
Part 2, double mom hug. Ready, Peters?
Oh, it's cold.
These people use their cat to catch a bug.
Girl.
Oh my god, he's gonna get.
Sure, she will solve and give a chance.
Oh my god.
Oh. Hi, how you doing?
Dave, are you hungry? Say yeah!
She came home after petting a cat that her cat absolutely hates.
Mom!
This is Aries, who is a cat that was born with hyperextended rear legs. He isn't in any pain and is pretty much a normal cat in every other way.
Are you gonna pray or someone else is gonna pray?
This, you can do it. You can do it, Snowball. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Oh.
This cat seems to have adopted this monkey.
Huh?
I can't find my screwdrivers anywhere. Like, where did they go?
This poor cat had an existential crisis.
Why are you doing this?
He was trying to force his cat to love him.
Sit over here. It's not that serious.
Have one. You can have one bite. It's pistachio ice cream.
This chunky monster of a boy. He's not overeating. I know that. Look at
The streamer's cat really loves her.
I don't know what she's looking at.
He just flung cat litter out of the box. He's probably gonna do it again. Oh my god! El cielo se cae, consigo el little.
Who would you save in a burning building, me or Kenzie?
You?
For some reason, a bat latched onto the collar of this cat. This poor cat was halfway to heaven.
Nella. Girl, stop. Jesus Christ.
You want to eat? No, it's not time. You just ate.
They wanted to introduce their new kitten to their older cat.
Stop. Shut up.
This cat was in trouble and yelled for backup from her big brother.
Did you get that?
Oh my god.
What do you think is wrong with this cat?
Stop it. Stop. What are you doing?
Do you like your new tie? It makes you look very handsome.
This cat was really upset that they woke up from their nap.
What happened? Did you wake yourself up? No, you are so very grumpy.
Careful, please. Really careful. Not yet. Roger.
A cat got too close to a candle and its tail caught on fire. The outer layer of fur was protecting the cat, which is why the cat didn't freak out. I have never seen a cat run in cursive before.
Unfortunately, Oliver, as you know, your sales have not increased, for this month. So unfortunately, we have decided that we will need to be letting you go. This behavior is not professional, and I will be calling security. Security! Ah!
I found a cat that loves sucking on this person's ear. This cat got a little nervous and protective when the baby put their hands over the balcony.
Attempt to make this shoe launch off the desk on its own. You ready?
Hairless cats often need lotion in order to protect their skin.
Pesto chicken pasta?
This guy tossed in his cat to go catch a rat. This person has a cat that walks on the same path every day.
Oh, buddy!
This person wanted her dogs to come back inside, but they weren't really listening. The cat saw that they weren't listening and wanted to help out.
Why are you...
What do you think he's going to jail for?
Free the cat! Was hat sie getan? Free the cat! Was hat sie getan? Was hat sie getan?
This guy was kind enough to save a kitten found on the side of the road.
Someone just... Oh no, it's a whole... Oh my gosh! I can't take you all. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, there's more. We got a kitten problem.
This cat was confused when she heard her owner's voice come from a security camera.
What the heck?
If you take a wet toothbrush and pet a cat with it, it supposedly reminds them of getting cleaned by their mother.
Hunter, are you hungry?
This cat grabs food from the automatic feeder as if someone will try and steal it.
No, hey, hey.
This cat was caught doing sit-ups underneath a car. I have never seen a cat drink via Bluetooth before. Imagine losing a game of ring toss to a cat.
I have to go.
Go. Let go. Let go.
I think he can sense that the brain cell is nearby, so he's trying to stay extra still so that he can finally intercept it.
Let's see if Bruce likes cottage cheese. Want some, buddy? Oh.
This cat has trouble understanding how the screen works.
Chega, Ninho. Ninho. Oh, meu Deus, que gato doido é esse, menino?
I just got off work, so don't look up here.
I have never seen someone that loves corn as much as this cat does. This cat just discovered the new security camera that was installed in the house.
Come on.
You got your clutch, you got your brake, you got your throttle, you got your gear lever, AFR gauge, fan switch, steering wheel. You got all that?
Hey.
Мы с Тамарой ходим парой, да? Як це мило.
This cat sounds exactly like a squeaky toy. What do you think he's trying to say?
What are you two doing?
I have never seen such a nervous dog before. There's only two types of cats.
Peanut.
Did hers get her cast off? Look, she. Oh, why'd you do that?
You ate a bee this morning. How do you feel? Thank you.
Well, the only time one was, and we are doing a whole princess theme, but it's gender neutral, of course.
Loves fruit by the foot. Do you want some fruit by the foot?
That's the end of this video. Hopefully you enjoyed this super special cat video that I made, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.